kind of nice too. Fourth one that I basically, I think this is the pattern. This is kind of nice too. This has a little bit more of a forest feel. I've been looking in the mirror backwards, but that's very helpful. So I can just. Okay, let me get to all this work. I'll go ahead and give you a closer look. So this was the first one, and then the second one, and then third one, and then this was the fourth one that I made, and then this was the last one for last night. So yeah.
is another painting I've been trying to finish, and I was thinking, since I already have my setup here, I was thinking of just maybe finishing it or you know, adding an abstract treatment to it. Hey everyone, so this is kind of a bonus painting. I started this particular painting soon after I finished the fruit bowl study. I used acrylics for this one because I wanted to finish the painting before I went on vacation to Japan. So I knew I was going to be gone for a bit of time, and I just didn't really want to think about it, and I needed this to be hanging on my wall, on our kitchen wall before I left. So yeah. I'll probably upload a longer version of this for those who are interested, and keep it ASMR if the audio is clean enough. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me this week. I actually just got back from vacation, so hopefully I can get back on the uploading groove again and finish. I have a ton of videos that I haven't edited, so hopefully I can share that with you. And if you'd like to see more, please don't forget to hit the like or subscribe button. It would help out the channel a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!